Hi guys, welcome back to toyphotography. So what we're working on at the moment is Kamen Rider Ichigo trying to recreate his iconic pose of him jumping in with his bike, charging in sort of you can, and it's charging through the window, which is why you see a shattering glass. And also we have that dude in the bottom, Hell's Ambassador. You can see him there. He's hiding the stand, actually helping hiding the stand, but you can see the stand is actually hidden enough through by the lighting, so it's sort of made it. So this is the details, as you can see. More stuff there. We placed the glass shattered glass effect properly, and make sure that the stand is hidden as well. As you can see, we're taking it from the bottom. Yeah, so that's how we hide it, and a couple of glass there as well, just to create that. And some light at the back. As you can see, that the light is really bright, so sort of make the stand invisible as well, because it's really bright light, and the hands there sort of help it alongside with the wood, because there's a screw there and that's really hot. So yeah, that's about the details, and I'll show you the details in a little bit more. Yeah, so to lighting, there's a light at the back. That's my Amaran, so it's shining, lighting the window. Then we have blue hue light and a red hue light as well, to give it color. So obviously that's meant to be blue, and that's meant to be, sorry, the other one meant to be red, and that one is supposed to be blue. So that's how we got it. And we use another light painting to light up the eyes as well. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye bye.